for this matter, so who na fit say the lie for this thing, this Pastor or look say Emmanuel or me, who na fit say the lie or who na fit say the day wrong? Because I don't watch a lot of my fellow content creator that's why I come back to make this particular video again. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today na your first time coming across this channel, yes, this channel we dey naka as I sabi speak my English. Yes, we dey speak with broken, they naka with broken. I dey bring any kind of news come this my channel, not only content creator na just small for each side, I dey break things when they happen for the world come to this my channel. Yes, my today video, the reason why I sit down again to make this video, I watched one of my sister, what's her name? Vivian. Yes, I watched her video, yes, with emmy'sfamily TV. I have two channels, emmy'sfamily TV. Please, if you never started to follow me for that channel, go follow me, okay? And I watched her video. I see when she bring this order of our sister, Baningo, comment when our sister called Piston, maybe. Now just say peace. When she called her, I'm so happy for that, for you to call her to see hear from her mom. But she have her own channel for her to sit down and talk, if not still be the things when they talk, you understand? They put herself as a big YouTuber. All those big YouTubers, if you talk about it, they will never talk to you. They will not sit down for their channel to talk to you as they claim, you understand? Because they know say maybe they call your name or they do one thing, one way or the other, you will get somebody will know you. You understand? If not so, she's supposed to go to her channel and sit down and address people. You understand? Okay, when she not doing, you call her to hear from her. Then I watch her video. I watch the conversation. My beautiful sister, Banigo. I never meet you one-on-one, and I know they watch your video. I know say maybe you know they watch my video, maybe you don't know me, maybe. And the first time when we just come across each other with dicks. My sister, as you interview Piston says she not talk like that. If you look the talk, if Nami go meet her, you understand? If, for example, Nami go meet Piston for not pay me, you understand? When this particular lady, I know say many people, they look this girl now like say, why she call me? I don't come out make video. When she would tell me, I ignore everything when I hear. I vex when she tell me that particular. I say, make she get out, let me go. No, I just talk like that. But when I see my beautiful sister Vicky Corner, she make video, then I drop comments in her comment section below. I say, now so she call me, she say I want use her and grow, I want use her and get view. Me will never reach 1,000. Before my sister come out again do video, then me I need to talk. That is how it be. Piston supposed to sit down for her chair. If not, they feel like all those big YouTubers when they go to talk. So if they want to talk, they will control mouth, give everybody. One particular person go do you so that I sit down and they mention her name. After she go sit down, make a video, address people, address a follower. See what happen. That one. When she come, they say, waiting me know about her. I don't know anything about you. I don't be from your state. Nigeria big. I don't know anything about you. The only thing I know is this your go pay. I say, no, come out. If you come out, somebody like me, I go do sit down talk. I go talk. I'll do part one, I'll do part two, I'll do part three. That is what I talk about. You understand? I don't know anything about you. Let me clear that part. And the second part, you lie. You say you not talk like that. And you say you they share people. My beautiful sister, Banigo. Person share this girl, Piston. I not say make she share me. If I they talk about big YouTube, I go say, I not say me una share me, oh. I know they talk me una know me. And they talk waiting I know and waiting I want talk. Then I go enter my house. You understand? If the same Piston say she they share people, this girl when come meet me so, she mean well to Piston. I they assist her for her channel. You understand? And not everybody you rather help for. It go must take her. Me I not say do all that you go take. If you not take, we take or consign me. You understand? This girl initially she come to me for good, for peace. You understand? And she come for me. I will ask her, you never will solve your own. You they drag this person. Who be this particular person? So when you they drag, she mention her name. I forget it because when you too big, we know a lot of people. Now people when you with and they do sister, no view me and view you. I know you. You come to my house. Those are the people you go know. But the people now just connect, they never come to your house. Like this pig. So I connect with her with Deaconess Bless K house. She never come to me. I share her immediately. I watch her. I share her to my community. When she talk about how she did assist her mom, that her video touch me. Everybody gets story. You understand? But she just decide to bring her own story. Nobody go hear story when that thing no pain her. I shared her video. But I look this girl, she never come to my house. Then I silence her bed. I don't even know whether somebody like this, they would exist again. When something, including the editorial, they watch her those days. But since I start my channel, I need to put hard work. I not just concentrate on content creator video now go they do. If I concentrate now go they find their mistake. I know they really they do. Except my beautiful sister Vicky come and make video. Maybe I see her. I say this content creator they watch her before. Let me go see the video. Then I go there. You understand? Because they don't know. They know if you watch them, you give the shout out, you talk about them. Talking about them, if they make people, they know them, but they don't know. I know a lot of people, when I don't know when this, our sister, Vivian, she do. Under her comments, I'll say, I don't know this person. Get one particular couple when she talk about, when say they break up, say the husband, whether they're cooking something, her husband, I don't know that particular YouTuber. Because I know they follow that, I know they find YouTuber. You understand? Not be my real niche down for this, my channel. A lot of big YouTubers, when some people will talk about it, I'll say, wow, I don't know this person, no. But those, they don't know, say, now one way or the other, they advertise them. They see like, say, they are a star. They are not our star. Not that one me want to talk, you know. This particular girl, so this pics, when she say she not talk like that, when this lady meets me, they tell me, say, Esther, you go help me with this girl. Say, me, they assist you for this person. You say they bring this person, come on. Because I wish her channel big. She for use her channel to reach out to people. He say, at least me still, no, people still know me past her. At least may I send message to editorial. I say, okay. Initially, I say, okay. I make a video for this particular topic when they talk. So when she explained to me, later I sit down and say, which kind of blind talk with this? Let me hear from the Hox's mouth. Let me hear from the pig's mouth before I go talk to editorial, you know. Now I tell her, now she come tell me, say, she will travel, go Port Harcourt, I don't know where she say travel, go about passport. Now say, now passport be the matter. She say, yes. Her go pin, the person when first put her and say, wow. Tell me, she reach out to me. Then maybe we just settle down between us. Maybe we leave editorial. If the one I not fit do, if not to reach, or some people want to see know all those live stream presenter, want to see know, say they are still know, some people want to see know. Maybe we see how we take solve and without no editorial. Now they wait this girl. Two of them not hear from there. Me, I lock up. After many weeks, like 2 weeks, I'll be a week. Now I say this, my sister called me. And I said, I'm not here from again. Now, wow. Okay, no problem. She said, well, she sent my China, go give her. Where she said she not talk like that. She sent my China, go give her. And she sent my China, go give her. And she just look at that time, that night, I did do my live stream. This my live stream at night, between 2 months, I monetize. When I tell they do my live stream, she just see me, I never reach 1,000. Now people, I never even reach 1,000. I never even monetize. I still get below 1,000. Now people, when I want to blow, when I want to grow, when I want to get views, just like that. Now she come tell us, say, no, I get 2 channel. If that one never will still big, at least I don't get 1,000 subscribers. I don't monetize that one. He say, I beg, you don't fit, you don't get another person when they do one. You understand? I say, because he see me say I get low subscriber, and she come to my live stream. Person when you say she not the feel big, you come to my live stream and you are a content creator. If na live stream when you get million, you tell me say this pics, you know, right? She go right. She look my live stream. She see say I get low subscriber, and I they look for subscriber, they look for watch hour. She pass there go. Say me one never get reach 1,000. Me one never monetize. Now view am user make. Now view am user make. When she they deny, say she not talk. If you say you not still talking, you pissed on. If you say you not still talking, why the same of your sister? She take you as a sister. Because she not know say she go come out like this. She just come for me to assist you. She come as a sister for you. Have you ever shared her video to your community? I know say my sister Abani go say, you know me say you they share people. People must share you. Share 1 or 2 people. People get to know you. If as this girl, she not even free pronounce her name. Hey, some people. You know if we pronounce person when I think you call her yesterday, that day, and I say, I call you my sister. I open up to you. Then you go tell her. She not looking like side talk. Me, I not still like side talk. I not like they say. Me not like nobody when they know the gossip. I wish na gossip now. As I did here, say a lot of people know the gossip me. As I did here, me know they talk about the people. If na gossip, no be say na help she take home. Then she can't look down of herself. Not me say my channel never monetize. If I not pay me, I for not talk. I go silence my mouth. But for her to say, me one never reach 1,000, never monetize. Now me one handle her when you don't get 3,000, 5,000. When this girl would tell me, I say, why she go meet editorial? This lady let me know, say, she don't even get her 1,000 subscribers. She don't meet editorial because of one thing or the other. Say, why she not follow her fellow content creator? The sooner when they grow, they come. If not be open eye, they worry her. If I reach there, because your initial plan, you tell her, say, everything when you go, they do, you go help her, make she assist you. say your salary, everything, may you assist. Not be so you still say talk, now so you still tell me. Or not be that one, I don't want to go detail. Now those things, I tell you, say, don't let me go detail. I don't know anything about you. It's just this one, I know. When you tell her, say, when the girl, this particular person, when they fight on your behalf, when you say, my sister, let's know, we know each other for social media. Let's know. What till you tell her? You tell her, say, you know, go, everybody want hang out with Piston. Everybody want to sit down talk with Piston now. Because I get 5,000, be 3,000 subscribers. No, because you still tell her. Now you say, what do you mean? No worry. Anytime I come. If you be really good person and you call this girl, if you see small achievements for you, you go carry phone, the phone for this girl. This one no say you the phone for her. That is Lucy Emmanuel TV. Please, my sister, my brother, if you don't know, get her channel, go get her channel. I don't want to play record here because one of my sisters say, may I play record? I don't want to play record for here. May she tell come from her old channel the way she tell me, if you not sweet me, then me will come. May look, say Emmanuel TV, my beautiful sister, I send this message to you. As you tell me, sit down for your channel, you get channel to address us. Then tell us the way the thing happen for your own house. So that people will see, say, you know me, I'm not be army, but no, if not army, but if not, then said it come from help. There is between, is big different for, and they say, talk about some bad. It's different. This lady come because of, let me assist her. No, beside no amo. Yes, I see when my sister Abani go say, some help when they won't give person for this street. Yes, some help when they give people. It be like say, but it's good to appreciate. Then if the person when help you, if they do, then you'll give her 100 yards. For you with our conde, they exchange word. Give her my 2. You know, that you'll give her 100 yards. Nothing will ever concern you with her. You don't already appreciate her. Then let everybody move on. Share to your community is not do or die. But somebody who mean well for you, mean well to them. Me, I dey share people like pure water before. But some people not deserve and some people think they are smart. Or some people feel say they get 10,000 or 50 million. If you share them, they use and they call them. That's why I stop to the share people. I share people when I see, okay, this person is due. Let me share her. And who share me, I share her. Who show me love, I show her love. That is like that. Peace Tom lie. It's a me deliver. Now you're supposed to leave people. Don't come to my comment section to write again. You have your own house. Go use your platform to talk. Don't come down my comment section that you leave. You hold you. They hold you for waste. They don't hold you for waste. Now see the same the ego when they talk. Now see they carry you as you take off for our sister Bani go house. I hear everything. I play her. Now true Vivian, I say go there. Let's respect ourselves. We are all adults. Wait till you talk. Agree. Yes, I talk her. If you will call me small YouTuber, wait till I mean. Yes, I see her say she know if you help me, now make me talk her like that too. I see say she never even monetize. Person will never monetize. Which idea she get? Just simple. Everything go shut down. Not the lie say you not talking. I look and say she never reach 1,000. How can somebody not reach 1,000 go assist me? I will say, you don't know her now. You for no. Everything go die down. Not you with stone. Say, I don't even know her. And Lucy Lucky. You don't know your sister name? Look, say Emmanuel went off now they call. When you they call, when you say you trust, you don't know her name to pronounce her name from Banigo, China. Say, Lucy Emmanuel TV. My people, if you want to hear the detail, if you really love to hear, okay, you'll feel go to her house. Look, say Emmanuel. Next week, the pics, you know the kind job when they do. And next week, she'll get chance. She go do the video. She go upload her. Everybody go watch her. Whether I just come up to talk about peace, or whether now wait till I hear. No, if I not be then say my beautiful sisters present when they say, and they say, no, me not still like they say. This one, they come for me for help. This is help. This is not they say they sit down for their house or they for that they talk. No, I get every day is day. You understand? But at least the girl when you reach out to me, she's a content creator. May she talk her for her house. If you not get her, now her channel be this now they display. So follow her. Next week she go drop. May una know who they lie and who not they lie. Now wait till I get to talk. My beautiful sister Ekeme, welcome to my channel. I see you. Your O is coming on the way. Okay, I come for peace, not before quarrel. Now peace. We are all one. Let's show love. Let's spread love. Not hate, okay? Peace, Tom. Humble yourself, okay? Show love. People still rescue you. Now people still hold you. Now people still they show you love. Show the same love to people. We are all content creators. Nobody they feed each other, including you. Are not they feed you. You not they feed me. You understand? Let love lead. That is the only thing I need to tell you. And stop lying. You talk on. Not they say you not talk on. You talk on. You look me say I never reach 1,000. That is true. The girl not send you my link. She send you my link. Me, I subscribe to you when I see for Ticonet Bleske. I subscribe to you. I share you to my community. You share person, you don't share person. By sharing people, you don't mean say your subscriber will follow them. Since when you open your second channel, this the same of your sister who let me know that you open second channel. Since when you open your second channel, you get the millions to reach. Why you not hit your 1,000 between 1 month? Why you not hit your 1,000 between 2 days? You not see Sandra when he bring it cause it come out. I be not the see Nello as he bring it get come out. You not say he bring those kind one. No be you. You still dey learn. But I wish you success. I pray may you get your monetization, your channel back. Now that one, now make us still dey talk. I pray to God for you to get that your channel back because it's not easy to have a channel and lose her. No, it's not easy. I not wish you bad. No matter say I vet for you, I not wish you say may you lose your channel because it's not easy to get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. I wish you the best. I pray may God bring that go pin. You can still do it manual. Manual day. Reach out to people. If maybe you don't already do one, you dey wait your Google pin. Now Google pin they really wait. Do manual. Ask people. People when they close like this, our sister Bani going in course. So ask her. Open up to her. Maybe one way or the other she will understand. Reach out to people. Stop saying you not talk and you talk. Okay? Now this one I get to talk. I just quick rush. I'll see you in my next video. Okay? My sister, UK family, your talk, I don't see her. No worry. Okay? It's coming on the way. Eh?